Hello!
Howdy folks, it's your man Blood Raven back at you with some more War Thunder, and Mr. Bloodstone's over there being Bloodstone.
Don't you forget about Mr. Bloodstone there, boy.
I mean, I could, but I can't because I talk to
Don't
you.
you forget about Mr.
I talk to
Bloodstone.
you every day, so I can't. You're drilled into my head.
Yeah, I know.
We did low tier battles the last episode, and if you didn't see the first episode, I had two other episodes the other day, and I've been grinding my Chaffee on camera. And those two recordings got corrupted, like seriously corrupted, and I lost all of this stuff. I had these, I think I had proof parts, approved FPE, and I think I had M61 research, and everything else wasn't researched. So I'm not sure what corrupted those videos, but it got abandoned twice, and I had to delete the recordings. So we're gonna go and do low tier air because I feel like playing air battles, and I'm not completely wanting to do middle tier air or continue my grinding. So let's get into it. I hope you all have been doing pretty well. Christmas is coming up. Um, I don't really celebrate Christmas with presents anymore. I just wake up and I'm glad to be alive, and I'm glad to have people in my life, and I spend it with my family, and that's what Christmas means to me. So we're gonna play the Catalina. Yes, you can see these are maxed out crews. I was doing some experimenting with low level. Um, I feel pretty guilty about it, but not at the same time, but mostly guilty. Yes, Mr. Playing your back. Oh no.
Oh.
I'm gonna drop the bombs and go a little faster. It's the it's the air domination one, the one with the point in the middle, and then everybody has to fly at each other to capture the point, and then you're just basically dogfighting because nobody really wins or captures it because everybody's in the middle.
Mm.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah!
I hate that one when I'm in a bomber. Unless I'm in my B-34, then I can just dogfight the crap out of everything.
Yeah,
I, s-
you're not wrong.
I swear the B-34 is more of a heavily armed fighter with bombs. If you keep seeing me dropping the ordnance onto the city, that's because one, I'm doing daytime bombing. Two, it helps me move faster and maneuver. Sorry, folks, you're gonna have to call State Farm down there with my 1,000-pound bombs dropping on you. Time to deforest the forest. Here we go. The big ass city, bro. Holy shit. All the way over there. There's two cities. Oh shit. I can't really do anything. My gunners are gonna have to do it. Get them, gunners. Get them. It's on you. Oh, good. One gunner's down. Got this, boy. You got this, man. You got this, gunner. You can do it. You got it. I know we're ahead of the enemy. We've been knocking their asses out. I've only got one gunner alive. That's a problem. Can't tell if he's down or not. No, he's alive still. He's down, and the other 50 cal gunner's down. This is a really shitty way to start this match. Start the video off is putting me in an air domination match and a bomber. Doesn't matter, because if there's one thing that Mr. Bloodstone knows is every time he and I play an air battle when we play together, I'm always running bomber first. You cannot get me to
Yeah.
change. You can't change that out of me for some reason. I just like, oh, well, oh, this is an air domination? Let me grab my bomber first.
Yep.
Get rid of the drag on the wings because they're bouncy bouncy. I swear air battles take a lot longer than anything else. Alright, here we go. We're gonna go straight in this time, even though we're in really no fighting shape because I've only got 2 gunners alive. Remember, Mr. I-15, let's do it then. You want to charge me? Let's go, boy. Damn. Alright, B1018. B10B, let's do it. This has 330 cal machine guns, so doesn't have the packing punch of a 50 caliber, but you know what? We'll take whatever we can get. Let's drop that 2,000-pound bomb. Oh, there it is. I can see it. That's so cool. I can see it barely. You can then it starts becoming a pin, and I can still see it. I can still see it. I can still see it. Boom. That is so cool just watching it drop. Oh, want me to drop it in this city over here? I mean, I'd be doing a war crime, but here. It's weird how it makes that whistling sound. I like that. Makes it more intimidating. Focused on seeing where it is. See it. I can barely see it. I can barely see it. There it goes. I wish I had some armament on this for me, but bro, dude is
What?
that dude's a midget. He has no legs. Unless they've got him developed. Yeah, it looks like they got him developed a certain way. But no, it doesn't look like it. Because it looks like one leg is curved and the other one's straight. He looks really short. Oh shit. This is my karma for saying all that. Because I get attacked. Oh! And I think they got my pilot.
Oh.
No, we're gonna do the F2, F3, F-2. Alright, time to see how terrible of a fighter we are because I'm not good at air battles. I'm not good at this game, period. What?
You.
What about me? What did I do to make you laugh or scoff or whatever it's called?
I don't know, to be honest.
Some dude in here is named Duscano or Duciano, whatever his name is. I can't. The problem is you can say what you see, but you never really understand how they pronounce it. I have used this username for years. Legit, actual. I have used it for years.
Oh, yeah.
I've never used it on Roblox, so I had a friend who used it on
Yes, you
Roblox.
did.
No, I had a friend who used it on Roblox. I used LMPD 5564 and Logan Walker 1. Now it's Mobius 11. I'm just exposing myself over here.
Eh, you're fine.
I do play Roblox, I just don't record it. I gotta have some privacy. Usually, but I don't play Roblox as much as I used to, though. I'm still flying. Oh, you mad? I took out the tip of your wing. There we go. Now I got a kill. Oh, shit. My mouse didn't want to move. There he is. The fact that he's still flying. I have no flaps. I didn't forget about you. I have no engine, that's why. That's why I'm slow. Got him. Nope, somebody got me. No!
Yes.
I got killed by somebody with Uwu Senpai as their name. I'm not kidding.
Ooh woo.
I got killed by an Uwu. I'm so sad. I'm I'm a failure, bro. I'm not, if I get killed with somebody with Uwu in their name, I'm a failure. I did not expect this battle to take this long. Let's try to shoot for a third kill. Let's do that. I want to seem somewhat useful. I think we're running out of boys. It looks like they got more boys than we do. Yeah, they got much more boys than we do. Gotta be careful I don't shoot my friendlies. Shush. I know I have overload. De-overload. Oh, why did I not move? Why did I not get out of the way? Oh, I have a backup. Well, we won anyways. I would do one of those simulator battles or whatever the defensive one is against AI, but those can take an hour. Okay. Do I want to do another battle? Yes, I do. I have it in me to do one more. And then I gotta end the recording so I can go to bed for work.
Hmm.
Alright, let's get to it then. Because I've been going. There's another battle going.
Hmm.
Oh shit. Nope. I forgot we can't say anything because it's an inside joke to me and Mr. Bloodstone.
You know what?
I made a gulp sound. I'm like, we can't say anything about it. We can't.
Calm down, Jerome.
Another air dominance battle. Seriously.
Yep.
I really wish I had a beer right now.
Yep.
Think you're funny, huh? Think you're funny?
Hmm.
Yeah, think
Mm-hmm.
you're funny?
Mm-hmm.
B18B. Oh yeah, because the I thought that because I thought the premium one, the B10 was B18A. I'm like, no. Wait a second, why is that B? And then I realized, oh, it's B10B. There's one thing that War Thunder does pretty well is almost about 99% of the vehicles and aircraft and ships have a wiki to them. All you gotta do is click on it and then click information and it'll open up a shift tab or it'll open up some form of way of allowing you to see the history of it, which I like. I like that. That's cool. Oh, I dropped 3 bombs only, not that one. I like the
Huh.
Catalina, dude. Catalina is a good plane. I like it. It can be stupid too.
Yeah.
I think I really like British. If I had to pick 3 planes, the 3 Tech Tree series, it would be American, British, and Japanese. Those are my top 3. I don't know why, they just are. Because Americans are like, oh, we need more firepower. Let's slap a bunch of more let's slap some MGs on that motherfucker. British are like, let's be high quality, but let's put less and be very smart about what we do. And the Japanese are like, let's just make everything really good.
Hmm.
I like the Germans. They're really good on fighters. I like their fighters.
Oh yeah. Hey, I
Russians,
gotta go change my laundry. I'll be back.
got we got a kill at least with our gunners, so that's good. So if you don't know why I cussed, I allow myself 3 F-bombs per video, so I have 2 left. Or if somebody says the F-bomb, there's only 2 left. I try to limit it to 3. All right, let's drop this bomb. Let's make it rain. Man, sometimes it feels like this field's moving. I swear I used to move if you press shift, but that was probably years ago. He must have had a backup on his B18. Owie, 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 owie. Are my gunners okay? My gunners are okay. Ow. Oh, for God's sake. Now we got that one guy who's just gonna sit up there and spawn camp. Lovely. Oh, shit. I don't remember how this works. I am very upset. I'm just not saying anything. Because I hate people who do this shit. They just fly in the spawn zone, they just do whatever they want. I hate this shit so much. It's like there's no actual attempt to have honor, even though that's a stupid thing to say for video games. I'll bet you're mine now. Fucking get out of here. That's two. I'm coming. I'm coming, Kaiten. I'm too fast. I'm too fast. Probably put my flaps on combat so I can turn faster. Go ahead and just refill all my MGs real quick. Excuse me. Oh, he's mad because I killed him. Good to know. I'll try again, see if I can't kill him. I would love to kill him again. Left. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think 11.
Baconator.
We'll go back. I
You
had one.
getting off?
No, I'm still trying to finish this battle.
Okay.
I had one of those dudes who fly so high in the sky around the spawn, and then just start spawn
Yeah.
camping everybody. So I killed the dude. And he just came down here and killed me again with his other plane. So I'm deadlocked on him.
Good.
My tail's. I almost caught myself. I've already used two. I gotta be careful with my last one. Try not to use it. Oh, somebody got him. Thank God. My tail got screwed up. Not sure if we're gonna win or not, but you know what? That doesn't mean we can't try, folks. Oh! Why did I not just maneuver out of the way? Why did I just keep going with it? Oh, I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Oh. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode, folks. You saw it here first. I'm a complete and utter idiot. And
Yes.
I hope you all have a great evening, day, night, or morning, or whatever it is at your point.
No.
Whatever it
No.
is your
That's
point.
mine. No. 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 Do not. Cease and desist. Cease and desist, you punk ass.
I'll see you all later. Have a great whatever.
Dickhead.
Bye. Bye.